Hi, this is AP Stats Asynchronous work for chapter 8-3, okay? And I skipped this activity during the class because I didn't know the command. And I contacted the AP Stats teachers community, and author of this book, Mr. Stern, responded to me nicely. And it must be, I found out this might be a typo from the ebook. I should have looked at the hard copy, but this is arrow sign, okay? So I go step by step, and this is actually, today's Friday, so after you guys watch this video, please create the same thing and bring it to classroom. So this is one of the projects that you do. Okay, so I rarely assign you your homework, but I rarely ask you to bring a project. So so this is a project points. Okay, so now one thing you have to do, just follow the step by step. Actually, you can take a picture and you can submit. Okay, I will create the Canvas submission drop form, drop box on it, all right? And you submit. So this is going to be one of the project. Okay, so what you have to do is, it's easy, 1, 2, 3. So let follow me or follow the textbook. First, you have to hit, not this one, the calculator. Okay, math button. Okay, and go to probability. Go to random norms, which is mine is 6. Mu is 100, right? And standard deviation is 15 and 20 trials. And cut and paste. I hope I'm sharing. Let me double check I'm sharing. Okay, let me see if I was sharing. I hope I was sharing. Okay, then let me go here. Looks like I'm sharing. Okay, so let me do it from the beginning. Okay, go to math, go to probability, and random no, 100, 15. So mu is 100, standard deviation is 15, and 20 trials. So paste. After you paste, so textbook, your textbook must have, maybe you can see that this arrow sign. So go to arrow sign, which is stored. So it will store this data to my list 3, because my list 1 is occupied. So the textbook said list 1. So if your list 1 is open, use that one. Okay. Now enter. If you enter, it shows up this only 2 numbers here. It's a lot of decimals here. So what this one shows is going to be, if you see list 3 of the my list 3, and it could be list 1 or list 2. If you go to edit, list 3 is occupied here, right? For this activity. So there are 20 numbers here. Yeah. So mu is 100, and standard deviation 15. So most likely 15 below, which is 85, is 1 standard deviation below and 1 standard deviation up, 115. But sometimes you see this like 68 or something. Okay. I don't know if it's random enough. So you just click a couple of times in case I won't have many variability. So because it's a project, I don't want everybody to submit the same pictures. So you have to go here. Go back to the beginning. Hit a couple of times. Okay. Maybe 10 times for me. Okay. So then let's see. Let's see. So I think it honors the last one. So let's go to last activities here. Here. Now, if I don't see 68, that's not the new data. It goes to 21. Let's see. 20. Okay, 20 is the last number. Make sure the first number, my first number is 105, appears on the last activity. So say 105. Okay, so you hit a couple of times because I was afraid because I saw 68. Last time I used 68, it shows up too. So make sure you hit a couple of times so many people has a different version of this, okay? All right, now, so you go, number 2, make a histogram, box plot, and normal probability plots of data of my list 3. It could be list 1 or list 3 for you, list 2 for you, okay? Do you see any obvious departures from normality in the graph of the sample data? Okay, let's see. Okay, so your assignment is you create those 3 and answer those questions, okay? So I'm going to create a new page here and cut and paste this. If you can sketch, it's fine. If you can take a picture and make a nicely on the report on one PDF and submit, and you have to write down or type the questions too. Okay. Now, so you have to go to second Y button, Y equal button. So you see this in plot 1, you select. Okay, the first one is histogram is selected. Mine is list 3. So if you want to change your list 1, you go here. Okay. And go to zoom 9. So this is my histogram. Okay. Now you go to same place. Second Y equal sign. And choose box plot. It must be this. Oh, I'm sorry, not here. Type here, here, here. Okay. Frequency is 1. Okay, so go to another zoom 9. Okay. Oh, this is good. Really nice. Okay. The last button, sorry. The last button you have to go same place. And it said normality distribution, right? No normal probability plot. I never used. I thought it was a residual plot, but this is for normal probability plots. So let's see. Go here. I think this is it. So hit this and data list 3 and axis y-axis. You can choose any of these mark, but looks like this one is very big, a square box. Okay, let's hit zoom 9. This is my normal probability plots. Okay, so let me practice. So this is, so it's going to be your project. So if you have any question, stop by tomorrow or today, my office hour. Okay, so this is it for today. And test review. Just watch the last asynchronous video. I create last asynchronous video about the coral reef question. Okay, and I talked about confidence interval for sample mean. Okay, so this is the twinkle if I should lose it. Have a nice weekend.